welcome to another video, and it's the Friday 28th of April 2023 and we are in Tunstall Park and it's a beautiful night. Been a bit cold today, but the sun's just started to warm it up a little bit now, and we're going to see if the blossoms are out in the park, so we'll go and check that out now. So I can see the CCTV, which is new now in Tunstall Park, so that must make people a lot feel safer. Sun on the trees looking good tonight. Current temperature is 13.9 Celsius, about 57 Fahrenheit. Just coming up to the little lake and the bandstand just beyond there. And again, the colours, all the green colours now of spring, are looking amazing tonight in Tunstall Park. Pretty quiet in the park tonight, not many people about. So again, we're using the new DJI mic. I've got it a little bit straighter today, so the sound should be absolutely awesome. So give me a thumbs up if the sound's pretty good. We have got a bit of a light breeze now, so hopefully you can't hear anything in the mic. And here's the main lake here at Tunstall Park. Looking absolutely stunning tonight. So you've got a fisherman camped out for the night across the other side of the lake there. He's probably here for the weekend. And here's the start of the blossoms. I don't think they're fully out at the moment, but they do look absolutely stunning. And there's the boat shed. Just imagine all them years ago when the boats used to be on here. It must be a fabulous place to come. If anyone's got any old photographs of the boats on the lake, drop them in the comments. Ducks are enjoying themselves. And look at that, what a shot with all the blossoms there. Got to be the most favourite time of the year for me. All the blossoms coming out on the trees, and we've got all the summer to look ahead to. Wow, that just looks stunning, doesn't it? So yeah, I think it's going to get better, maybe another week, more blossoms out, and then eventually when the rains come, all the blossom ends up on the pathway there. This has got to be one of the best places in Tunstall Park to see all the different blossoms there. It certainly looks good against the blue skies. Sun just gone behind the clouds. Can't believe it's May on Monday. The year is flying by already. So I hope you're all enjoying this video tonight. Spring here in Tunstall Park. Looking good with all the sun shining through the trees there. And this tree's got like white blossoms. Another tree over there looking stunning tonight. Okay, so now for some amazing drone footage. Let's go up there and have a look. Check that out for a picture. Last time I saw a picture like that was in Central Park, New York. But you can see that here in Tunstall. Wow, just look at that. If you're into photography, that must be an amazing shot to take. So who's ready for the bank holiday weekend? And next weekend is the King's coronation. Again, another stunning photo there. So yeah, I reckon probably another week, maybe 10 days, and those blossoms will be looking absolutely stunning. Maybe we can come back and have another look. So who enjoyed the drone footage? Absolutely stunning. So coming up to about 7 p.m. now. Just starting to get a bit more chillier. Some great reflections on the lake tonight. Again, look at that, another stunning picture that'll be. So I hope you've all enjoyed this video tonight. Tunstall Park on a Friday night, looking at the blossoms here in almost May. If you've enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up, drop me some comments, and of course subscribe to the channel. And of course we'll see you on the next video somewhere in the UK, coming soon.